Embark on a journey of a lifetime with the London School of Planning and Management. Are you ready to explore the enchanting realm of travel and tourism management? Our LSPM course is your boarding pass to a world of adventure and opportunity. From crafting unforgettable experiences to mastering the art of destination marketing, our comprehensive curriculum is designed to transform your passion into a rewarding profession. Join us at LSPM and unlock the door to a career where every day feels like an adventure. Pack your bags and let's begin this exciting voyage together. Enroll now and start turning your dreams of exploring the world into a reality. To apply, visit our website www.lspm.org.uk today.